So today's tech tip, we've got a Golf GTI Mark 6 2012. We bought it from auction knowing that it had problems. There was a bit of paintwork we had to get done and a few other bits and pieces, but mainly it had a DSG problem with the gearbox itself. So we basically looked into that, we've diagnosed it and we've actually fixed it, but we wanted to show you some of the processes of what we had to go through to actually find out what was wrong with the DSG box and how to fix it. So these are the internals of the 6-speed DSG box off the Golf GTI, and basically it came up with a fault code which was P2711, implausible mechanical gear disengagement. So what we had to try and find out was if it was the mechatronic unit which controls the gears itself, or it actually was a mechanical part of the gearbox playing up. We basically tried to adapt the gearbox and program it to recalculate the gear ratios in the gearbox. But what we did find was the mechatronic unit was working perfectly correct. We tested it, all the solenoids are working correctly. We actually found out that the clutches were slightly worn, and we found out that this was causing the disengagement from the gearbox. So we managed to get a clutch pack, fitted it into the gearbox, programmed it all up, adapted it, road tested it, and it's all working correctly. So this is the Golf all back together. We've refitted the DSG gearbox. We've carried out a DSG filter and fluid change. We actually carried out an adaptation on the gearbox using a snap-on machine rather than VW Otis, which we do have here. We road tested it, the car goes great, it drives really well, really smoothly, and it's all finished. So if you like this video and you really enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Carmiller Cars.